Hi, I'm Rick Ballard with Utility Composites, and we manufacture RAPTOR composite fasteners. Today I want to talk about one of the tools that works with RAPTOR fasteners. This is the RC-SH04 cap stapler, which is designed to work specifically with RAPTOR heavy gauge staples, the SH0440 and SH0458 staples. And the terminology on that is the SH is heavy gauge staple. The 04 is our terminology for the crown width, which in this case is 7/16 of an inch. And then the 40 is the length of the legs of the staple. In this case, it's 7/16 of an inch. Now I'll show you how to load them in the tool and how to use the tool. The RC-SH04 cap stapler has a magazine capacity of 70 staples. And this cap stapler comes with a bottle of tool oil. You first put 2 to 3 drops in the air fitting before you connect the air hose. And if the tool is used every day for production work, then you may need to do this on a daily basis. Okay, and to load our caps onto the tool, we'll pull up our container latch here, take our spool of caps and slide it right down that. You can secure your container latch again. Then you take your caps and you slide them right down the tray here, feeding them all the way down to where they will be ready and loaded to be fired, like so. Next, to load the fasteners into the cap stapler, pull back the pusher, open the magazine cover, and put the staple strip into the magazine. So you insert the strips into the magazine and close the magazine. And now we're going to connect to the air hose. We recommend the air pressure be set somewhere between 70 and 110 psi for this tool. Now we're ready to operate. The stapler has a nose safety, so simply press the nose firmly on the surface and then you pull the trigger. The RAPTOR cap stapling system can be used to protect valuable export lumber by attaching your lumber wrap. When metal staples are used for securing wrap, the material tends to fray on the sharp corners of the staple. This exposes the wood to the elements and depreciates its value when the staples rest and leave streak marks.
In comparison, because the underside of the crown that has a generous radius and no sharp edges, RAPTOR staples hold the wrap securely during the transport without tearing or causing any rust-stained or streaked woods.
With RAPTOR, your overseas shipments will arrive to your customers intact with a clean and neat appearance, consistent with your company's high-quality brand image. For additional lumber wrap protection, use the RAPTOR RC-SH04 cap stapler, which drives RAPTOR 11mm staples through the patented plastic caps to hold the wrap. This system provides excellent strain relief and resistance to water penetration at the staple entry point. It delivers superior quality products to your customers by using RAPTOR composite staples. With metal-free lumber, your customers will save money and labor, and you will earn customer loyalty, bigger profits, and highly esteemed reputation within your market. RAPTOR polymer composite staples are the superior fastening solution for tagging and wrapping. Contact us to learn more.